Hello everyone, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A17 and in today's tutorial I will show you how to add a screen lock to your device. Enjoy watching! So this is super important to protect your smartphone because we all have some personal data on our devices and we want to see it only for our eyes, not for strangers. So you have at least have one way of protecting your smartphone by a screen lock. Let me show you now how to get through all the process. Now press settings, then scroll down and move to the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. In here we have a lot of options that we can use to actually protect our device. The most important thing is this first option, screen lock. You should get into it and decide which way to protect your smartphone you want to use, pattern, PIN or password. For me it will be a pattern. Now I will confirm that I will remember my password, obviously, so I press got it. And now I have to think about my new pattern. For me it will be something like this. Now enter again the password to confirm the whole process and press the confirm button. My device asks me now if I want to use a fingerprint, so this is also a good way to protect your device. Pattern plus the fingerprint is a good combo. You should definitely press here to add your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is in here. You should just move your finger on the power button to scan your finger like this. Then if your smartphone finishes scanning your fingerprints, so this is a lot of touching one button in a short time. Maybe I will try do it in a faster way like this. And alright, it is done. Again, ask me if I want to add a face data. No, it won't be necessary. So I add also a fingerprint and now I can use it. In here we show the name of my fingerprint was for the one finger only, and I can use the fingerprint for lock screen, privacy, password, app lock, or any fingerprint payments like these two, and that should be all. My fingerprint unlock is on and also screen lock. Let's test it out by locking our device. Now let's try to unlock it. Yes, we have a pattern to draw, so now I get access to my device and it works. So that was all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!